flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be?
Hey y'all! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. So as you can see in today's video, we are going to make car coasters. I'm going to show you guys how I made these pretty, bright, vibrant, beautiful designs with the shine of these car coasters. So with no further ado, enough of me talking. Let's just jump right into this video. I have designed my templates for my car coasters. So I use two separate apps to do my designing in. I use Photoshop is my first go-to, Photoshop, and I use Canva. So some of these, like most of these right here, I did in Canva, and my next two sheets I did in Photoshop. So that's sheet 2 and sheet 3. Oh, and sheet 4. I'm sorry, 4 sheets. So like I said, most of these 3 sheets here I was able to design in Photoshop, and this one sheet I designed in Canva. I was just playing around with Canva to see what I could do and what I can do. But yeah, so what I will say is with the coasters, the car coasters, measure them. And I say that because I measure mine, and they were measured 2.5. So I did my circles 2.5. But what you want to do is make your circles just a little bit wider than 2.5. That way you can get like a full picture on your coaster. So this is a coaster, and as you see, like I still have like room around the edges by making it a tad bit bigger than what the actual coaster is. You can see the coasters, they're gonna have a glossy side to them. Trying to get a reflection. Yeah, so they have a glossy side and they have a matte side, which the matte side is a little rough, and the glossy side is is smooth. So you want to sublimate on the glossy side because it's going to give you a glossy finish, and it's going to pop. The colors is really going to pop. I know that these, especially like I see this one, especially like this, because it is it looks dark and dull looking, and the sunflower, and especially this one too. This one, they look dark and dull looking. It's really going to pop once that heat to it. These two with the colors in them, I just love the ones with the colors. So these are this one on this. These are just designer inspired ones that I wanted to do, play around with, just experiment to see what's what. And these are just some ones I wanted to experiment for as like color wise. And that's really it. It was really easy, it was really simple. It's really time consuming because like each one, well, once you design one, you could just duplicate. So that's what I did. Design this, duplicate. Design this, then duplicate. But it's really, you have to get the right color. You want the right colors, and you want to make sure it's gonna go. The color's gonna go well with whatever background you got. You can sublimate these coasters. You can put pictures on them. You can monogram them. It is endless to what you could do with these coasters. Like this, just a test run for me. This is just the beginning. Like I got much more that I want to do now that I has, you know, started this process. But what I'm going to do is enough of me talking, because I'm excited to see, you know, how these going to turn out. I am going to go on and cut these out, and I am going to get them ready for the car coasters. Now that I have all of my car coasters templates cut out, I got me a microfiber rag here. I got some alcohol. I have some heat resistant tape, and I have my coasters stacked over here on the side. So I have 24 of these, so I have 24 coasters. And what you want to do is just try not to get no alcohol on your templates, because then you're going to have to reprint. So you are going to get your little alcohol, bam, like that, and you want to wipe your coasters. You want to clean your coasters with alcohol and a microfiber rag on the glossy side, the side that you are going to be sublimating on. So I'm gonna go on and do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is I am going to, and each heating element is different. So with my heating element, I'm going to turn mine on, and I am going to heat mine up to 400. It's already set for 400, and I am going to put it on 150 seconds. And once it gets up to temperature, then we'll start laying our coasters down and pressing them.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always make me feel like, oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah. You're the reason I'm going.
Our coasters are done being pressed. I didn't open up none because I wanted us to reveal together. The ones that you see over here in the far left hand corner, they are the ones that just came out, so they're still kind of warm, but these are definitely cool to the touch, so we can see what these look like. And I'm excited. Are you ready? Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, looky. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Let me zoom in for you guys. Look at that. And do you see the shine? The shine that they have? Baby. Yes. When I say quality all day. Yes. You can't tell me that's official. Like, y'all looking at it through the camera, it don't even give it justice, you know? That's amazing. But anyway, let's go on and finish unwrapping the rest of them, because we got some more great ones and I'm excited to see. They look amazing, you guys. Like, absolutely amazing. Like, it's the colors for me. Like, the gloss, the shine. Like, it's everything. Look at that. Oh my God, it came out so good. I'm so excited. Ah! Oh my goodness. Looky. Oh yeah, I'm on to something. Even look, check out the black one. Like, how dope is that, yo? That's dope. This is another black one. So what I was telling you guys, we'll use these two. How you want, I try to make sure the little dip is on both ends of the same ones when I was laying the templates on. Like that's one. This one. This is another one. You know, I like them to be the same. You try it. I mean, you could put them however you want to put them, but for as me, I like, you know, my stuff to try to be the same. Like my Nike, the Nike ones. So yeah, that's it. Guys, this is simple. This is easy. This is for beginners. This is for experts. Like, this is so easy. Okay, you guys, they came out so great. I'm about to go do some more off camera, but make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video so that you can see all of them. Okay, package up and ready to go. So with that being said, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go hit that subscribe button and turn your bell on. That way you will not miss an upload from your girl Dee. And to my subscribers out there, you already know I love you guys. Until the next time, into the next video. Oh, by the way, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Any questions, any comments, drop them down below and I will get to them. Into the next time, into the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.